Hey, what's going on everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you the first thing you need to do if your phone camera stopped working. Right now I got this phone camera was working 100% and then I decided to do the system update, and after that the camera app crashed. So it's not opening at all. But right now I'm going to show you a trick that will definitely fix the problem. Let's go with the video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just go to settings, scroll down and go to apps and notification. Right now I'm using a Motorola phone, but this trick is gonna work on any Android phone. Alright guys, let's go ahead and click on CO apps. Then right here you're gonna look for the camera app. Just scroll down until you see the camera. It's right here. Here you're gonna see a settings, uninstall updates. That's the solution to that, guys. If your phone camera app is not working, it's crashing after you did the software update, that's the solution to that. Just uninstall the updates. Here you're gonna see the message saying replace this app with the factory version. All data will be removed. It's okay, you don't gonna lose your contacts, you don't gonna lose your pictures, not at all. So now what you need to do, just click on OK. And that's all you have to do, guys. After you do that, restart your phone. Then let me just wait until the phone is on to show you what else you need to do. Okay, once your phone is on, unlock your phone and go to settings one more time. Scroll down and go to apps and notifications. You're gonna do the same thing. Then go to CO apps. Let's wait right here. CO apps. Scroll down and look for the camera app. It's right here. Okay, then go to storage and cache. And then all you have to do, just clear the storage and clear the cache. What you need to do now, just close the window, then try to open the camera. So you're gonna see that your phone camera is gonna start working. You will see different message popping up on the screen. That's because we just delete the cache and data. But all you need to do, just allow those settings that you want, and that's it, guys. So your phone camera gonna start working 100%. And that's all you need to do if you're having problem with your phone camera. I hope this video fixed your problem. If you have any question, please let me know. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video. See you next time.